Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AG Motion Designs, and in today's video we are going to create this abstract looping animation inside of After Effects without using any third-party plugin, but with the help of simple tips and tricks inside of After Effects. And if you want to learn more about motion graphics and other stuff, then you can check out my Udemy courses. Links are available in the description. And if you are new to this channel, then please consider to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get more updates. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we are in Adobe After Effects. Let's create a new composition. We are going to call it as main animation, as always we do. Width I'm going to choose 1920, height 180, frame rate 30, duration 1 minute, and background color is white color, and simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title selection. Then I'm going to select my ellipse tool, and by holding shift I'm going to create one ellipse like this. Now select this ellipse, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Go to the Align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Now select this and choose Align tab, and over here we are going to choose Align left. Now press P for position, and as you guys can see the position of this 169. Over here select this, and after that add plus 350 value, so it will come over here. Okay, so we need to follow this procedure for all of this ellipse. So let's hit Ctrl Z, select this, hit Ctrl D, press P over here. After that add 350, sorry, not 350 but plus 350. Okay, and we will follow this procedure again and again until we will get a particular amount of ellipse. Okay, now select all of them, press P, and now we will bring them like this. You can do this by like this only. Okay, now we will select this middle one over here, which is this one. Hit Ctrl D, let's bring this at the top, change the color of this one to yellow. Then press Ctrl Y on your keyboard to create one solid background and hit OK, and let's bring this downwards and we will lock this. After that, right click new and create one adjustment layer. Go to the effect and presets panel and apply tint effect, and we will swap this color. Now we will bring this we will bring this downwards. We will select this shape layer and we will hit enter, and let's call it as mask. Now select this adjustment layer and choose alpha mask like this. Okay, now select this mask property, press P for position, create one keyframe, zoom in a little bit, let's go to around 3 seconds. We will lock this adjustment layer. We will select this ellipse over here, press P, and we will copy this X position of this keyframe. Select this mask, select this X position and hit Ctrl V to paste it. So if I see this, I'll get this kind of animation. Now select this position keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor, select this graph. By holding shift we will move this handle over here, and we will move this handle over here. Now press S for scaling option, create one keyframe, hit U, go over here, create another keyframe, and in middle of that we will decrease the size. Select those keyframe and hit F9. So if I see this, I'll get this kind of animation. Okay, so this is first. Now let's minimize all of this, hit U. After that we will select all of this all of this stuff, press Ctrl Shift C, and we will call it as animation and hit OK. Press F4 and we will enable this icon. Then press P for position, create one keyframe, go to around 3 seconds and create another keyframe. Then go to the start, press Ctrl R for the ruler. We will bring one ruler over here, zoom in, let's move this over here, go over here, we will select this and we will move this from here to here. like this. It should touch this line, and we will hit N over here. So now if I make this fit over here, I'll get this animation continuously in the form of loop. So this is one step. Now select this layer and hit Ctrl D, hit U, select this. Let's select our rectangle tool first, and we will create one rectangle somewhere around over here. Okay, change this color to red one. Select this, hit enter, and let's call it as mask. Now select this animation proper composition, press F4 and choose alpha mask. Now select this position keyframes and we will bring this over here. Now make sure that when you are going to move this position, select this position word, so it will automatically select these layers and simply bring them over here like this. Okay, so we are gonna get something like this. Now after that, select this, right click, keyframe assistance and time reverse keyframe. As you guys can see, we are getting this kind of stuff, but if you see over here, this is not in the form of loop. So what we can do, we can select this simply and let's delete this layer, I mean keyframes. Now select this animation layer, press S, unlink this, and let's make this -100 first of all. So we will get something like this. Okay, and then we are going to animate the position keyframe. Select this ruler and bring this over here like this. Now select this, press P for position, create one keyframe, go to the last one, and we will bring this over here until it's going to touch the edge of our ruler. Okay, like this. So if you see this now, we will get this kind of animation. Now again, I'm going to select both of these layers, hit Ctrl D, press P, go to the start, or you can simply right click new and create one null object. You can select both of these layers and make it a parent with this null. Select this null, press P, and let's simply bring this downwards. Select this mask and let's bring this mask over here like this. Let's bring this null object a little bit upward. Okay, so if you see this, we are gonna get this kind of stuff. Now hit U and we will delete this null object. Then press Ctrl Y on your keyboard to create one solid background and bring this downwards. Select all of them, press Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose this, and we will call it as animation, and hit OK. Hit Ctrl D, go to the effect and presets panel and search for CC sphere effect and double click to apply, and increase the radius of it like this. Okay, then go to the shading options, so increase the ambient value and decrease the diffuse. Let's increase the ambient. Let's select the offset and let's move this over here. Select this, hit Ctrl D, move this offset over here like this. Okay, so if you see this now, we are getting this kind of animation. Now select this third layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for tint effect and double click to apply. If you swap this color, you will get different results, but I'm going to choose red color over here and I'll swap this color. I'll select this second layer, apply tint effect, and let's swap this color, and instead of black, I'm going to choose this purple color. Select this, apply tint effect, and instead of black, I'm going to choose this bluish color and swap this color like this. So I'm gonna get this kind of stuff. Now select this topmost layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for drop shadow effect and double click to apply. Increase the softness to 200 or let's say 400 like this. Select this drop shadow, hit Ctrl C, select the second layer and hit Ctrl V. So we are getting this kind of animation, and that is also continuously in the form of loop inside of After Effects. It will take a little bit time to load because this is a ellipse layer which takes a little bit time to load, but the final output would be awesome, and it is also going to be in the form of loop.